Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 3. In today's class, I will continue the part 2 of your chapter number 7, Formatting Text in Word 2013. Now the unit highlighting text. Highlighting means making the text look different to draw the reader's attention toward it. It helps in highlighting important text in a document, and the highlighted text has a colored box around it. To write the text over here, to suppose hello children. Oh, okay. Now click the Home tab. Here you can see the font group. Click the drop down menu of the highlight color text and select the color of your own choice. Now the mouse pointer changes into the pen shape pointer and select the text you want to highlight. Just suppose I highlighted this text and the text get highlighted. Removing highlighting. If you want to remove the highlight color from the text, you have to follow the following steps. Select the text you want to remove the highlight. Click the Home tab and click the drop down menu of the text highlight color button and select no color. So the text will be free from the highlighting. Aligning the text. Alignment is a manner in which a text is placed between the margins of the page. The text can be lined up at the left side, at the center, or at the right side of the page with the help of the appropriate buttons in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Here are some shortcut keys to align up the text at the left. Use shortcut keys Ctrl plus R. The shortcut keys for the aligning the text at the center is Ctrl plus E, and the shortcut keys for the aligning the text to the right is Ctrl plus R, whereas the shortcut keys to aligning the text to justify is Ctrl plus J. To change the alignment of the text, you need to follow these steps. Select the text, click the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the Required Alignment button. To select the text to the left, click the Align Left. To select the text at the center, click Center. To align the text at the right, select the right. To align the text to both the left and the right margins, click Justify. Applying borders and shading. You may also apply borders and shading to your text by clicking the border and shading on the drop down menu in the paragraph group. To apply the border and shading, follow this step. Select the text or paragraph you want to apply the border and shading. I have selected the suppose I am selecting this text only to apply the border and shading. Now click the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the drop down menu of the border button and click the border and shading. The dialog box of the border and shading appear. Now you can apply the border of your own choice. Here click the border tab, choose the desired settings to apply for selecting the style. Here I am choosing this one. This is the style. And to from the color drop down list, I am selecting the color of my own choice. And from the width drop down list, I am selecting a width of my choice. This preview box will show the applied borders to the text. Now click apply. Okay, the border and shading will be applied to your text. To apply shading, you need to follow these steps. Click the shading tab from the drop down menu of the border and shading. Click the shading tab. Now select the color for shading from the fill drop down menu. Here I am selecting the color. Now select the shading style you want to apply from the style drop down menu. Here I'm selecting 10%, and the effect of the selection appears in the preview box. Now click OK. The border and shading chosen will be applied to the text. Your chapter formatting text in Word 2013 has been completed. Now move to the exercises, which is given at the end of your chapter. Fill in the blanks is given in your objective section. Note down in your copy, and there are 5 blanks is given in your objective section. So complete this blanks with the help of the word bank given in the top of your blanks. Now complete the true and false. These true and false are not given in your textbook, so please note down it from this slide and write T for the true and F for the false statement. Now move to the section of questions and answers. Note down these questions from this slide in your copy and answer the questions from yourself. I will explain you the answers also. In the first question, you have to give the 5 features that can be used to format a report. And what are the 5 features of the to formatting a text? These 5 features could be the fonts, font colors, font sizes, font styles, and the alignment of a text to format a report. Okay. And in the second question, which option will you click to remove the highlighting from the piece of text? In the slide, I have shown you how to remove the uh, highlighting from a text. You have to just click the no color option from the text highlight color menu. And for in the third question, which group on the home tab has the option to align your text? So to align your text, you have to go to the option on the home tab of the paragraph group to align your text. And the last question, which option helps you to add a shadow or a glow to your text? So there are 3 tabs on which are given in the border and the shading in the dialog box. There are the borders, page border, and the shading. From these you can add shadow or the glow to your text. Also, you have to complete your worksheet exercise. In this exercise, you have to label the parts marked in this figure. The first one, you have to label the parts of the font group. The second figure shows you the font group of the dialog box. The third one is the paragraph group of the aligning the text. The fourth figure shows you the border menu of the paragraph group. And the last one is the shading tab of the border and the shading dialog box. In question number 2, you have to write the 3 facts about the font dialog box and the 3 facts about the alignment. In the third question, there are unjumbled words given to you, so you have to correct these words with the help of the hints given in the bracket below. Thank you, students, for your attention.